What is up, NewbieQB here, and today I'm going to be attempting to solve the 3x3 just like a square one. In case you didn't know, square one is a puzzle that you solve using only U, D, and slash moves, which are basically R2s. I have never touched a square one, nor ever learned how to solve one, so I was clueless on what to do. When approaching a new puzzle, it's very helpful to come up with algorithms just by messing with it. And that's what I did. I found 3 algorithms that can be used to solve most of the cube. The first one comes from JPerm, and it goes like this. So it swaps these 2 edges and these 2 edges. You can also do the same thing but on the top and the bottom, like this. The third algorithm is for a case like this, where the bottom layer is almost solved except for one corner. So you find the corner and you put it over its slot. You put it at the bottom, move these 2 pieces out of the way, bring back the corner, and then finally put the 3 pieces into the bottom layer. Okay, so let's scramble the cube. Make sure to only use 180 degrees arm moves and use my orientation if you want to follow along. Yellow on top and green in front. Now you might be wondering where to start. I thought why not just use a method we're all familiar with, layer by layer. The first step is to build the bottom layer starting with the back, left, front, and right side. This is the step where you might need to use this trick. For example, let's say these 2 corners are solved, but the edge is in here instead of here. So what you can do is put this spot under this edge and do the algorithm. Find the white and blue edge, here it is, and put it into the back. Now find the red, blue, and white corner, here it is, attach it with the red and white edge. So they're here, but they're not attached correctly. So you gotta take them out on the top, detach them, and put them back correctly. Now attach it with this, and put it into the back. Do the same with the front. So here's the corner, gonna attach it with this, gonna pair it up, and now like this. Here you want to pair up these 2, but they're already paired up correctly. So now I'm going to put them at the bottom and we get this case. So I already talked about it. Put the corner at the bottom, move these 2 away, bring back the corner, and there you go. Here you might need to adjust these 2 edges, but that can easily be done like this. Lastly, you'll be left with PLL. If the corners are solved, then you can set up the edges to an opposite swap with JPerm's alg. So this one goes here, so we can do JPerm's trick here. And now we got these 2 that need to swap. So what we can do here is this one, put it here, and then from here swap these 2 and these 2. So this. And then undo the setup moves. If the corners are not correctly permuted, then I don't know what to do. I have not been able to find a way to swap corners, but if you do, then comment the alg and I will shout you out in the follow-up video where I'll solve the whole cube for real. This challenge is very similar to a domino reduction, so if you do FMC, then you might have a better understanding. I hope you found this concept interesting. Comment if you have different ideas like this.